All right, we're out here on a public land. One Mission Outdoors, Andrew Baker.
Danny Dumas.
With Downright Deadly.
Trying to be.
Got a couple mojos sitting over here on the pond. Got a couple birds over here already. Right there. Got the 360 camera up running. Hopefully we'll get some good footage. And if not, we'll just enjoy God's country.
That's it. Did we shoot at the same time?
Oh, did you shoot?
Yeah.
I didn't even know you shot. You got it, because I'm getting loaded. Oh my God. It's you, buddy. There you go. You see it? I've got it wherever you are. Right there.
There's another one.
Yep.
Damn it, I don't have a shell.
Two behind us.
What's that?
They're flying away. One coming at us. Dang it.
In the water?
Yeah.
How far?
Oh, pretty far. Danny, coming back behind you. Coming over you. I got it.
You got it.
Yeah, bud. You get the next one.
Yes, sir. Great shot, buddy.
I'm gonna go look one more time for this bird.
Yeah. It was out there or out here?
No, the first one that I couldn't find out here.
What about that other one?
I didn't